question is for both of you. अब जैसे कि हमने दोनों गाने देखे हैं कतरा एंड नवारा and it has been shot in some beautiful locations of Kerala.
Yeah.
So what was your experience while the song were being shot? How about you?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming here. And, I want to thank firstly, I would like to thank all the composers and all the singers for adding so much to our film, so much to our characters as Kabir and Sanjana, and definitely the entire team. Coming back to your question, Kerala is like a character in our film. It kind of adds the soul, Generally, horror films are shot mostly in hill stations, and I really like the choice of Bhushan Patel that he decided to shoot in Kerala, because it just adds so much to the film. The backwaters, and especially when we shot the song, we got hills, we got backwaters, we got...
We were in Switzerland also.
Yeah, you saw Avara, we
Yeah.
got every kind of possible location in Kerala. It's one of the most stunning places, and I also realized why my sister and brother-in-law went for the honeymoon out there after shooting Katra. So it's a great honeymoon destination. Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Karan Singh Grover?
How about me?
What do you think about
How was your
Kerala?
What was your experience?
First, I just like to say thank you to everyone involved in this film. It's probably I'm only one of the few people whose first film this is in this whole team, and I'm just happy that I was given this opportunity, and I hope I can live up to everyone's expectations. There are so many beautiful locations that we shot at, and everything, just the song and the environment and the energy on the set, everything kind of merged together.
With the flow.
With the flow and everything, it felt like everything happens for a reason and everything is in place. It's like a dominoes effect, when it comes together. So that was quite surreal for me.
So I would like to ask, were you mesmerized by her beauty while shooting? Were you
I was
distracted?
Absolutely mesmerized, absolutely in awe of her. when I was
Skeptical,
shooting her.
nervous on the first
Very,
day?
very nervous. I was
All
very,
of
very,
it.
very nervous.
All of it, yeah.
Very, very nervous.
Tell us about some very fun moments on the shoot. You've wrapped up with your shoot, right?
Well, the first day is always getting to know the
because
entire
I
unit.
know that he is a big prankster. We've heard.
Well,
Really?
I don't know about the pranks, but he's like full of life. Yeah, he brings a lot of energy to the sets. The first day was very, even though I have done like 60 odd films, I still get scared on my first day, and it's just like getting to know the entire team and everything. But I have to say, from day one, Bhushan, me, and Karan became a trio. We kind of, were in sync to everything, and second day onwards, they started pulling my leg on everything that I did. So
Not second day onwards.
yeah, almost second day, because
Till
it
the
was
second
just...
day, you didn't even recognize us.
Oh, don't lie.
Yeah.
Oh, that's,
You couldn't see us
but that's
till the
because...
third day. Then you realize, oh, acha.
But
Oh,
please tell them the
these
reason.
are guys I'm with.
Please tell them the reason.
She's absolutely blind, my friends.
Yeah.
She's absolutely blind.
Little bit because of my eyesight. Sometimes I would miss saying hi to Karan.
Yeah.
He would just pass by.
And I thought the previous day I made a good impression, so I was like, next day I'll walk in and she'll be like, she'll like me, but
But yes,
She was
so
like,
we called Karan the relief on set whenever there was like it used to be very heavy, because this film is emotionally very draining. At times it's very, intense. So we used to call Karan on set even when he was not required, Bhushan and me. So he used to make us laugh, yeah.
that was
Very
fun.
lively.
Yeah.
Again, Karan Singh Grover.
Yeah.
I like the way she said,
Yeah, I
Karan
know.
Singh
Karan
Grover.
Singh
मतलब
Grover.
पता नहीं.
Yeah,
हाँ.
okay.
बोलिए बोलिए.
ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये एक कंप्लेंट है हम सबकी तरफ से. आई डोंट नो, इट्स अ डाउट बाय एवरीवन. सब लोग क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं कि अबाउट द वेरी सेक्सी shirtless, heart throbbing, six pack abs. They're like photoshopped. मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, ऐसा लोग कह रहे हैं.
कोई नहीं कह रहा ऐसा.
नहीं नहीं
आप कह रही
कह रहे
हैं.
हैं. There's a buzz.
You're putting words in their mouth.
No. There's a buzz around.
Yeah.
आपको
About
क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
क्या
Are
abs
they
के बारे में?
photoshopped? I mean, how would I know? I don't know.
Yeah, come touch me.
Really?
Yeah, please.
Come.
Please.
Come on.
How can I see it?
Touch it.
No, I cannot touch and see. Come on.
Okay, punch.
Yeah, punch me.
No, no,
As
I
hard as
don't
you can.
want punch.
You can do it. Give me a best shot. Come on.
No.
Come on.
I want to see. See from
I'll
my
show you.
own
I'll
eyes.
show you.
See with my own eyes.
See from.
My own eyes. Everyone wants to see out here.
आपको लगता है कि है सिक्स पैक है ना तो दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना
Thank you.
थैंक यू नहीं है
नहीं है.
नहीं है यार दिखा दो चलो
Come on.
चलो
Yes.
ओह
Oh. One.
नहीं नहीं खुल रहा है नेक्स्ट टाइम
Oh. Okay.
hugs
got
are extra
emotional.
long
Everyone he hugs.
and he hugs for very long
Full of energy. Love your energy, Karan Singh Grover.
Thanks.
I promise you, he'll recognize that if you call him Karan, he'll look at you. So
yeah
he knows the Singh Grover part. Now everyone has
Well,
it by heart.
I
so.
love
Yeah.
to address him that way.
Karan Singh Grover. I'm going to call you Karan Singh Grover. now.
Grover
Just a
मैंने कुछ नहीं
bit
किया.
of power in the name. Okay, getting back to you, Mr. Bhushan Patel.
Yes.
I'd like to ask you a question. Your last movie, which was a very big hit, Ragini MMS 2,
Yes.
you had a chartbuster music. Everyone know this. He seems to be getting all the music very right all the time. So tell us something about this album.
This album, actually it will be wrong for me to say anything about my album because everyone has heard the album. We've tried our best, all of us. I have tried my best. I've picked up after, like you say, my last film, which had good music. If I had to better that, I had to have Ankit, I had to have Mithun, I had to have Jeet Dada and Raghav to top it all. So I have tried my best, and I think they have done a marvelous job, all of them. From the songs, everyone would also agree with me, I guess. Do you guys? Do you agree? Anyone? No? No one agrees.
Yes,
That's
we
okay. So
agree.
what? I agree.
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
We
so
love the songs.
I just fingers crossed that people like the song and make this album also a hit, like they made my last film's album. And what the hell? I'm sure it'll become a hit.
People are definitely loving the music.
Thank you. They should.
This question is so obvious. You look hot in every song that you do, every coming song. The awesomeness increases. What's the reason behind it? Everyone wants to know. Come on, tell us your secret.
Okay, I'll tell you the secret on Alone. It's my
Okay.
team. I think the team is fantastic. The musicians, the composers, our DOP, Prakash, Bhushan, everybody. Yes. Is the production also saying us also? Yes, yes.
Master
you guys
Shelley.
got us great locations. Yeah, so it's the team effort. I think, and it's a set where we all enjoyed, and everybody enjoyed every moment of the film. And I think that reflects on screen, and that, I guess, made me look even better. And so I want to thank my entire team of Alone.
But the secret is yet to be told to me and everyone else.
You want more secrets? Love
Yeah.
yourself. Love yourself. Go work out. Lead a disciplined life. Say no to vices. Sleep 8 hours a day, and the regular that all our mothers have told us. So follow that, and then you'll look awesome.
Now go do that.
Absolutely.
All of that.
Next question is for you, Mr. Abhishek. Which was your favorite track from the movie?
That's a difficult question actually. When we
Yeah,
have
they're all sitting here.
we have talent like
Yeah.
Ankit, Jeet Dada, Raghav, and Mithun. I think it's very difficult question you're asking me. I think Sare best is Sare favorite. That's why it's in the film. Otherwise, I wouldn't have chosen any of the song right now. Ankit has given a fabulous song. Dada always brilliant music he gives, and Mithun obviously everyone knows he's the Mithun who always gives a melodious song all the time, and Raghav has created some outstanding number. And I think choosing one would be very difficult, and they all are sitting here right, by the way.
No, also every song has a different flavor, and each composer has brought so much life into each
Correct.
song. So the flavors are completely different, and it's absolutely tough to actually, you can't pitch them against
एक
each
माँ
other
के
because
लिए
they're
ना-
like beautiful.
एक माँ के लिए हर एक बच्चा अच्छा होता है. You can't pick which one is
Correct.
good or bad.
तो माँ बना
They
दिया
all
मुझे
our
आपने।
children. All my songs are, all our songs are
माँ
our
बना दिया
children.
मुझे।
हाँ, बोलो बोलो. I would like to actually say something here. I'm sorry. You know, all of us have been. I mean, everyone's loved the songs and everyone has. But I don't want to steal the thunder of Mr. Howard, who is the director of the songs, who is the choreographer of the
Choreographer.
songs. His part in the song cannot be forgotten. This man is also responsible for the songs looking the way they are. I don't know if Prakash is here. Prakash, are you here? This man is the choreographer of 3 songs. He was responsible for Katra, for Chand Asmano Pe, and for Avara. Don't Be Shy was Ahmed, so, and he's not here, I think. But Howard is responsible for the way the songs are looking as much as, if anyone, he's as responsible as all of us are. So, a round of applause for this man, please.
I have to make a special mention here that I've worked all my life for the last 20 years doing songs, and the freedom that this man gave me to shoot this song, hats off to him. And it's showing on screen, it's come out, and my only brief to the actors was, I can put any lens, I can put any kind of frame, shoot it through anything, but if you don't perform, this song is not going to look like anything. And what they've performed is some of my finest work, and I'm so proud of my own song and their work and his work. And a special mention to Abhishek Pathak and Mr. Kumar Mangaji for showing faith in me, and the man who got me this work, Love Ranjan, who got me the work that I'm doing today. Thank you very much.
कुमार जी, आप स्टेज पे क्यों नहीं आ रहे? नहीं, उनको अभी बुलाना हूँ, मैं बुलाता हूँ. कुमार जी, आप आइए ना.
Kumar ji,
It's
come
important
show
you
us your
come.
lovely
अगर हम
smile.
लोग सब हैं तो आप.
Can we hear for Mr. Kumar Mangat, please?
I'm sorry, I had to call him. He's a super producer. I love this man. I mean, I am so happy with him. He's like someone here said, he's the sweetest man I've worked with, and it's a fact. Like Mithun said, I think. He's very sweet, and I mean, God bless him for everything that he's done for this film. God bless.
Mr. Pradeep Agrawal and Mr. Prashant Sharma.
मैं पूरी टीम को, भूषण जी, बिपाशा, करण, प्रकाश जी, हमारे एडिटर देवेंद्र जी, पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोलना चाह रहा हूँ. अभी आ रहा हूँ उस पे आ रहा.
So sweet.
म्यूजिक इस फिल्म की जान है. अंकित, दादा, मिठुन दा, राघव, सब ने अपनी तरफ से बहुत ही बढ़िया काम किया है, और मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले कुछ दिनों में ये जो इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक है सबके मुंह पे हो जाएगा और सब लोग इसको लाइक करेंगे.
Now can I please ask him the question?
अरे यार,
जान ले लेगी.
आप पूछिए ना, आप पूछिए क्या पूछना
जान दे
चाहते हैं
दूंगी,
मुझसे.
मैं जान दे दूंगी.
हाँ?
Okay, this question is, which was the most fun song that you enjoyed while shooting?
I am not falling for this.
Sorry?
No, I'm not falling for this. I enjoyed each song equally.
Okay, except
I
the
love
one,
them equally,
Katra.
unconditionally.
Except Katra.
Oh.
Except Katra.
No, Don't Be Shy was also one. All songs.
All
Yeah.
song
Yeah, all of them.
biased.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I
Come
think the
on.
most fun for
Fun
him would be
song.
Avara because he dropped me in the water.
Drop it.
Because he's a water baby
Yeah.
and he wanted to sit on the jet ski and he was going crazy that he wanted to sit on it. And though I was scared and he said he won't drop me, he dropped me.
It's a mistake. Honest
But he
mistake.
saved me also.
Yeah.
Yeah.